Hello everyone, I'm Spooorthi. I'm from CSD branch. My startup company is EIN. Product present name eyeliner. Product proposed name eye definer. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as set by customer during the empathizing activity. Precision applicators. Design the fine tipped brushes or quill tip applicator for liquid eyeliner ensures precise application. Defined. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is eyeliner and futuristic product name is eye definer. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. One, as we apply it, it should automatically convert to the desired thickness. Second one, eyeliner can be used as a all-in-one. For example, mascara, lipstick, and third one eyeliner consists of different color on the tip of the eyeliner. Phototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw the sketch and sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.